Hi everyone! One of our favorite times of year is upon us and every makeup beauty junkie looks forward to this event. Granted, I'm not going to show you any skincare today because most of my Sephora holiday bonus beauty insider event is largely and surprisingly a makeup haul. I just have finally gotten to the rhythm and groove of things and I am loving doing a full beat. I know it seems weird to hear me use really trendy terms because I'm not that type of person, but I am loving this makeup look and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm pretty thrilled with it. It's totally approachable and wearable for even those who don't like makeup. You just need a couple extra minutes, about 5 to 10, to really create this blown out eyeshadow look. Now the rouges have already had time to shop. They even got bonus weekends, but whether you're a rouge or whether you're a VIB member, your discount is still 20% and you can shop in store or use your online coupon, which is VIB bonus. Now before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I am using quite a few items that are really popular on social media right now. I just wanted to try some trendy items and then some new things like everyday staples as well as holiday stuff, just because Sephora has some exclusives that I really wanted to show you in action. So now without any further ado, let's get started. For the brows, I've got Anastasia's Brow Dip, using very little of this. I can't emphasize that enough. Using brush 14, which is one of the newer brushes. I highly recommend it. I like it a lot. Now I'm going to use the Dior Brow Styler, which is something that they only made in one universal brown shade for a long time, but now they finally have it in black. So these are definitely items that you should stock up on, take advantage of this discount while you can. Now the discount doesn't apply to everything. Some exclusions do apply. You can only get 1 Dyson item, 3 Drunk Elephant items, and 3 Tatcha items per order. Per SKU, per transaction if you want to get technical about it. Basically there's a limit because that stuff's so popular. This look is going to result in almost a cut crease, but it's just more of a photogenic way to make your eyes look bigger and brighter without doing like an officially dramatic, really lined cut crease look that can be over the top for some. Now out of these metallic eyeshadows that Christian Louboutin has done, the rose gold one is my absolute favorite. And because I just don't want it to look clunky or thick on my very thin eyelids, I'm just going to blend it out so it looks nice and soft and smooth. whole sultry aspect of this look is, instead of using my typical liquid liner, I wanted to use powder eyeshadow to really create a soft, diffused eyeliner effect. It's more of a smoldering, blended out eyeliner look, and I really love how intense the black is. It actually works really well. Just keep blending. It's all about the blending, especially for these eye looks when you're doing something blown out and you have as much lid space as I do, all this real estate. You just have to make sure that you blend, 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 blend. Now for my favorite thing I've bought from Sephora in a while, this is the NARS Holiday 2018 Orgasm Trio for Cheeks. I absolutely love the blush, Laguna bronzer combo, and the brand new Orgasm highlighter. They work so well together, and even though my friend Sabrina of the Beauty Lookbook says that this doesn't really show up on her, I actually had to use a pretty light hand just not to overdo it. Now we're almost at the finish line. I'm going to use this beautiful NARS lipstick. This is a berry color that is exclusive to Sephora. This makes it much more approachable and easy to wear, really bold shades. And then I'm gonna go one step further and use Pat McGrath's new lip gloss. This is, by all accounts, a lot of makeup for me, but this holiday, now that my skin is better, I'm really loving going full out, doing these blown out eyeshadow looks, big brows with lashes and bold lips. So even though you can tone this down in many different ways, I just wanted to show you the full potential of a truly sultry look for holiday 2018. Don't forget, even if you're not a VIB level member right now, all Sephora VIB member access starts on November 16th. Your code will be BIBonus, and that will give you 15% off. And again, you can use that as many times in store or online as you'd like. I know most of you guys are signed up by now, but you can do it online or in store, just like taking advantage of the discount. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you all very soon in my next video, which will be my best friend's wedding vlog. Please subscribe and make sure you click on for your notifications so that you know when the video is live. All right, everyone, see you next time. Bye.